Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Stuff. I am Akhila. In this video, I am going to tell what are the variants you need to buy for TCS National Qualifier Test. TCS applications are open for August and November 2021 exams. As this website is bit complicated to understand, I will show you simple way to apply and what variants is required for IT field and business financial fields. TCS is providing different packs. If we buy cognitive skills, psychometric skills, if you buy all these packs, the price will be high. I will show you how to buy those packs in low price for IT and business financial career. TCS is a multi-level assessment to access following competencies and skills. Core cognitive process required for entry-level jobs. Industry-specific knowledge and insights, and specializational skills required to perform various job roles. Cognitive skills score is for measuring the cognitive skills in the area of verbal, numeric and reasoning abilities of the candidate, and psychometric test score is for personality traits. Industry NQT score is for industry specific dimensions, and subject NQT score is for role specific skills on dimensions of knowledge and ability of the candidate. Here they have mentioned some of the details of test, that NQT is a prerequisite for all the tests. 2 years validity of NQT score. This exam is conducted online and physical centers. Candidate with NQT score will eligible to apply on TCS job listing portals. Apply for any entry level roles in any corporates with NQT score. Eligibility for this exam is UG, PG and diploma students in the pre-final and final years. Student with any degree and specialization. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience. This test is prerequisite for all the tests. They have mentioned some of the brands of TCS NQT. TCS NQT variants are NQT, Industry NQT, Subject NQT. In NQT they have mentioned cognitive skills and psychometric skills. Cognitive skills pack is per 599 and psychometric skills pack is per 399. Cognitive skills is must and should, and psychometric is few companies only require psychometric score. In industry NQT, IT technology. For industry NQT, information technology and banking financial services assessments are given for 399 pack. IT people can buy industry NQT for IT, and banking financial services people can buy this assessment. For subject NQT, they have provided different subject NQT scores like IT programming, basic computer skills, accountant, financial markets and services, digital marketing, customer relationship management and business development executive. You can apply for whatever the variant you are. If we buy each pack separately, it will be almost 1600 overall. TCS is providing NQT bundle pack for IT and business financial career people. Cognitive skills, psychometric and programming skills, it costs almost 1600 for IT people, and for business financial people, cognitive, psychometric and accounting skills, it almost costs 1600 if you buy each pack separately. Here TCS is giving an offer for 999 rupees only. Do subscribe, like and comment so that it will motivate me to do more videos on this content.